Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best paper towel on the market. The Scott paper towels, specifically the Choose a Sheet variety. With their impressive features and value, these paper towels have earned their spot in households everywhere. Let's explore what makes them a standout choice for your cleaning needs. Scott paper towels are designed for efficiency and convenience. Each package contains 30 double rolls, equivalent to 60 regular rolls, giving you a whopping 3,000 sheets in total. Each roll features 100 sheets, ensuring that you'll have plenty of absorbent material to tackle any mess life throws your way. We all know accidents happen. Whether it's spilled juice, a dropped snack, or those little everyday messes, Scott paper towels are here to help. With their unique Choose a Sheet design, you have the flexibility to select just the right size sheet for the task at hand. Need a small piece for a quick wipe? No problem. Tackling a bigger mess? Just grab more sheets. This feature not only helps you save on usage but also caters to your specific cleaning needs. One of the standout features of Scott paper towels is their superior absorbency. These towels are designed to be more absorbent than many leading national brands, providing incredible value. When you need to soak up liquid quickly, Scott delivers. The rapid absorption means less time worrying about spills and more time enjoying life. Let's talk about strength. Scott paper towels are made with a wave texture that not only enhances their absorbency but also ensures a lint-free clean. You can trust that these towels won't leave behind pesky fibers, making them perfect for both kitchen and bathroom surfaces. Plus, they're strong enough to handle scrubbing without falling apart. But it doesn't stop there. Scott paper towels are environmentally friendly as well. They are FSC certified, meaning that all the fibers used in their production come from responsibly managed forests. When you choose Scott, you're not just making a smart choice for your home but also supporting sustainable practices. The commitment to sustainability extends to their packaging, which is designed to minimize waste. So, you can feel good about using these paper towels, knowing you're making an eco-conscious choice. Available at an affordable price, Scott paper towels deliver exceptional value for your money. Many users find that they absorb more liquid per dollar compared to other brands, making them a budget-friendly choice for families and individuals alike. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best paper towel that combines absorbency, strength, versatility, and environmental responsibility, Scott paper towels, Choose a Sheet, is the clear winner. They make cleaning up messes not just easy, but also economical and eco-friendly. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, happy cleaning.